ki khubor ka Batisi TV.
Lawan ra sepi da ko singam beach aqua na molai moro hakajing dap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One bantiet ya kakali Datsun Ready Go batamai kabas kem bat bidor.
MLA ka maulai constituency ba proses di saukme ula lejingo ya ka jakasa ki khana ki populi sister ka Mary Immaculate Convent ka badan ha maulai moro ban pet igijing don kam ha ka te ka jaka ka ba kenthop ya ka ombam umdi ka badai ka weni gijing ka ba kilamat labun bon snam ha kini gijing lejingo jong MLA la sangran lang do rang ba shnong ka maulai moro uba Peter G Lamare ringkat ki engineer nakatnat PHE
long nang tu nak fil nang tu nak borwell te ha ka tu ko fil ka bang esna da ka de bilan te kan pas de sa ka tu ka tok ka ba yu nang tu ka de ni sakan sa kini suat pen kan ni dak sang ban yo la ka long ka bala de kan jin da long ka jin ya ra ka krau ha na ka ban ta ka yen jin ni
ko mu pa jong ka yen ka sambat yo i ka jin not kam je bi khun phi ro phi ngap de ta ka ji ut chen lam jong ni ki baik ibas jong apa kejing ni kejing sumar kejing ki apa kan ikan constituency jong kamaulai plesi pun ba pilawan hang ni bang ila pada pi banwan bang idan kame kebadan kame kedai ka kebadai kejing im jong ni nam ka ngim la ban im ta kadang ni sepi ban wat kejing yarab na pedang jepi hakma jepi ban ai ke yarab ban pen ia ka ka pakhoy ka basngor rak bantaban penokam ka pamkati ka jongi magijang nakam na kay ngasam jongi kani ka Mary Immaculate kadai ka novitiate ka ba ka wei ka hiang ka bakerpang ka mangi penkrea kham tam kum hang ne asa arsnem ba kin pinda na ka bantaban shin ya kani ka jong dunyam te hang ne ngim na don kata ban ong ka bangin don ka ministry la ne ki kam di bangila ban le shaba rei ka baning kong ka ha ka saus na mo baning kong ki penlek wara ke jing duai ba ki kershan ya ki pa rume jumi ba ki pa ro hang ne ling ba ki jing duai jumi te house na mo ba ar pat te khndia kum tu ngi le ban chmo yeng ki ne ki yeng ki badan chani she jan jumi ba ki ka to ka ne ki Ishnong di pangilaaban poi da kejan ilek ban long orat jing kai nyam beer but hadir ha ka bakut jong December ba jong ba arsnem how nai da pra isa shem ya ga jing long ruya hadir arsnem pa training ga jong de ga ni ga jing sa jong ki ga ki wan na ki wei ki jaga ki ba beer jong ka seng ga jong de ya ka ba benta ki dana ni san province ba ki sa ne arsnem bandala adab ya gani ke salek hai bian shiki province joki pergi don ki bana shane shulong bana ki ki jaga bajan ru kin salek hai shiki tu jaga di bagi sister joki ki don ni ki joki
tiga gede ki jingkam kam hadu ta priu na ni merat ni jingthong jingtap ki merat ni kinamla im klem ko tiga gede ki jingkam kam hadu ta ye ba ni se de jingwan joki ni gajing jing nam jong ni gajing sem jing sister kan su long na try ni gajing sni report so one hoy bo pli ha gajing long ru kan thai kala shu snap de kisnam ma de post nam kila yaisha de ha ni gisni la se de gajing persiau gajing konrad lei la phoninga moktar ni smo jing so shem jing e so shem jing jar ko ta ha ko bai dei ko ni go hoy ko ni don rei jinjin jagalong nomor baku kampung su mengindi bang wajabo idun kamban le filtering ya ka ti jingwan jengko umru kala duna le sin nomor jing bahasu jengba pumping jengba pom cepo ti na takadaw telefoninga ti nga hagan urkom ni le mastang anani burum jingi wala banira ki
Idman we have not get the opportunity, especially for yourself. For you get the opportunity of to have a prayer in your own house. But people like us, we didn't get a chance to go to church and pray to God. We have to pray quite in his own home. Small family members we have pray at home, especially for the problem that we are facing. We have to thanks to God now for the 8 months running now that again we get the opportunity going to church. We understand when we're going to church, we understand that is the very safest place I used to say. that there is no corona. There is no corona in the church. Even in this place, because I have already take off my mask because there is no corona here. all of you also have already taken. You can understand. We trust. Yes, we trust in God. In the meantime, we have to protect. That is a very important. Wearing a mask is very important. We trust in God. 100% we trust in God. But even then, we have to obey the rule, or also the guideline given by the World Health Organization. World Health Organization have already conveyed the message that wearing a mask is very important. As of today, we didn't have a vaccine or medicine how to cure about the COVID-19. But what we have, the best vaccine or medicine, that is wearing a mask. That is very important. And also maintaining a social distance. How to maintain social distance? It's very important. That means important. Though yourself you are meeting every day, you are meeting among you. But even then we have to take care. That is very important. But as a Christian, we believe that all these problems, difficulties that the world is facing, but soon it will die down. Soon it will go away. By the help of the Mary Immaculate, also by the blessing of the Lord Jesus, this COVID-19 will go away. No? That we have a full faith and confidence. Even the Honorable Prime Minister last time, when he took a decision to reopening of religious places, he said, it is a time that we have to open the religious places. Let the believers go to church, go to their own of faith they have. Christian will go to church, Hindu will go to temple, Muslim will go to mosque, own faith that we have. We are very much happy. We are very much happy in these days. Even for the last 2-3 days, even Maharashtra government have already opened the church, opened the mosque, opened the temple. Everyone is getting a chance of going to church. I'm very much happy. On the day when I watching in the national television, I saw that there's one Catholic church is already open. People going, meeting with sisters, meeting with fathers, but also to pray to God. And this is the time that we need our prayer. Especially, I'm very much happy that after sisters have already briefed to me that here this is the house of prayer. I'm very much happy when I heard about that thing. That is a sin that we have committed. That's why we have to face this problem that we, as human beings, because us we are the people who believe in God. We understand why these things happen. It's happened because we have committed a sin. But I'm sure that God again, that it is my duty and your duty. We have to seek to the God to forgive our sin. Again, the mercy will come back. As a believer, we thought that again the mercy will come back. Like we have all these sins these days. Yourself, you are here. I may say that you don't find much of the problem. People surrounding you, many poor people, no food to eat in the morning, even daytime, even dinner. Some of family members, they can go to sleep without dinner. Many people they have losing job, no cash, nothing. Everything people have faced very difficult. That's why in my prayer, always I pray for the poor, that God will bless the poor, especially He will bless the rich people. Rich people will take care for the poor. But when the rich people, we understand in these days that unless somebody, those who are well-to-do, have much money, have so many work, helping the poor, I tell you that it's difficult for the poor. It is a time that, especially if you have to pray for the world, this is the time that we have to pray to God. Very important as human being, as a Christian, especially for yourself, because you prepare for the field to become a sister. I'm sure that one day you'll be in your own province, like sister. But what will be important? God will to give the best of the best.
I can breathe.